Respected principals, beloved teachers, and my dear friends, a warm good morning to all. My name is Arvi. I study in class 3B. Today we are celebrating pencil race competition. Me and my friends are get up beautiful nature. I am nature. I am the one who stay in the life here with fresh air, fresh water, various kinds of foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, etc. Birds, mountains, trees, beautiful flowers, animals, sun gives us light, clouds, rainbow, and all natural things. All of my parts are very useful to human beings. So, you must consume and save me. If you cannot save me, how will you survive? You can protect me by not cutting trees, stop polluting air, water, land, plant more and more trees, reduce, reuse and recycle all things. If you protect me today, I will protect you and your future generation also. Thank you.